So I stopped the video right there, but look at this cucumber. I mean, I'm just like, should I cut him, her, or I think these are carrots. But should I cut it? Should I, let it grow a little bigger, see how big it's gonna really get? We'll see. Okay, I think I'll leave it there for right now. Leave one there to cook a little longer. Yeah, so I've still got to cut these. Some of them are still blooming. These are actually the dried out parts of the kale plants that grew all in here. Even though I've taken them up a couple of times, and lo and behold, it must have been seeds, and they keep growing back in this spot. And see, this one out of just the blue, has grown and flowered and whatnot. So anyway, I need to go back inside. Just came out for a tomato pick and break, and yeah, I don't have any spray on, so the bugs will be eating me up in a minute. Later.